Such a wonderful warm day. That is all because of a small but very bright circle in the sky, the sun. The sun is a star that is very far away from us. It is so huge that it weighs 700 times more than all the planets together, and so hot that it can even melt a diamond. Because it's so heavy, the sun is pulling on all of the planets and is making them revolve around it. It takes our planet 365 days to make a full circle. That's 1 year. The sun is the main source of energy for all life on Earth, and we wouldn't be here without it. There are trillions of stars just like the sun in the universe. Many of them have planetary systems just like ours, and maybe one of them there is life. So if you want to go there, then just subscribe to this channel and like this video.